station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Shaniqua Vereen. This week, NASA announced a delay for NASA's SpaceX Crew 3, continues to evaluate landing opportunities for Crew 2, welcomed a new spacecraft, and tried something spicy aboard the International Space Station. On Monday, November 1st, NASA publicized a delay for the upcoming launch of the HC SpaceX Crew 3 mission due to a minor medical issue involving one of its crew members. The issue is not a medical emergency and not related to COVID-19. The launch to the International Space Station was planned for Wednesday, November 3rd. NASA also will continue to evaluate dates for a return to Earth for NASA's SpaceX Crew 2 mission with NASA astronauts Shane Kimbrough, Megan McArthur, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Aki Hoshide, and European Space Agency astronaut Thomas Pesquet. To follow these missions and for the latest updates, follow along with us on the NASA app or www.nasa.gov. In the midst of the crew preparing for launch, crew aboard the International Space Station also welcomed a resupply ship. An uncrewed Russian cargo ship, Progress 79, docked to the International Space Station late Friday, October 29th, to deliver nearly 3 tons of supplies and some treats just ahead of Halloween. The supply ship docked to the Svesta service module at the space station 2 days after launching into orbit from Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan on October 27th.
Space to Ground.
And finally, something spicy to talk about. NASA astronaut Mark Vande Hei harvested the first crop of 4 pepper plants growing in the advanced plant habitat aboard the International Space Station. The Plant Habitat 4 experiment is one of the most challenging plant experiments on the orbiting laboratory to date, in part because of the long germination and growing times of the peppers. NASA astronaut Shane Kimbrough initiated the experiment on July 12th, and the peppers grew for 109 days before the crew got to try the spicy treat. The Crew 3 astronauts will continue caring for the pepper plants and will conduct the final harvest of peppers later this month. Learning how to grow crops in space is still one of the key components in nutrition for future space travelers. Fruits and vegetables can supplement astronauts' diet with key nutrients like vitamin C and vitamin K, which future explorers will need during long-duration deep space missions. That's Space to Ground. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.